Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, you will learn how to make a mobile phone stand using popsicle sticks, also known as ice cream sticks. Let's get started.
So we start up like this after the arrangement. Then you start applying your gum. For this last part of it, that will be the base. You make sure you apply the gum very well so that it can stick properly. So as this is our base, you will pick up the numbers of sticks you need. This will determine how high you want it to be. So in this case, I'll be picking 5 of it. Then you make sure they align once you place them on each other. So you can see, after 5, this is the height. So this is the frame now. So we decide to go for the base now. So for the base, you will just need 2 of these, which you have to divide one of it into 3 parts. Then you pick one portion for one side, then you pick the 2 portions. So like, let's assume this is the whole length, 1 2 3. So I'm picking this particular side, I'm cutting it out. So you make sure the measurement aligns. So you cut out the second one too. So this is it now. You're turning backward like this. It's going to determine how you want it to turn backward too. So if you want it to be like this, you will just maintain that angle. So for this video, we will be using this angle. So you apply enough gum on this part of it. So you hold in place until it dries up. So you repeat same for the other side. So it's going to take a while, but it's not leaning on each other for it to dry up. So now you can see it's dried. So you turn it the other way around. While you pick the other part that we cut out, this will just serve as brace so that our stands won't come off on time. So it's going to come like this. It starts from the top of our holder to this side. So you leave to dry. For sake of strength, you can add more glue to the back part. So you leave for a few minutes to dry up properly. We have our Android phone stand.
Thank you for watching. If you have seen the channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.